Hey friends, it's Amy Dub, the Keto Queen. I'm so happy to be home in my kitchen, guys. It's Monday, my favorite day of the week, and it has been a travel day. So I know I look a hot mess, and it's okay. I'm so excited to tell you guys throughout the week some of the things I learned over the weekend in my business mastermind. I got to gather with about 36 friends over the weekend, and we had an amazing opportunity to not only experience a mansion in the mountains, but to really connect and learn from each other. I love a small, intimate mastermind opportunity. Guys, a mastermind is powerful because what it does is just build you as a person. We get to specifically choose the people that we want to learn from and grow from. And I can't wait to tell you all some amazing things I learned over the weekend. But tonight, we're in the kitchen and we're going to cook something I haven't cooked in a long time. So it's something different. If you're looking for a different flavor, something new and fast, because let's face it, I've been in the car and traveling all day. I will be going to bed early tonight because I've got an early morning work day. A short work week is always a busy, stressful work week. So as much as I want to tell you guys some things I learned, tonight is Ricky's night. So we're going to stick this in the oven in just a few minutes, and then I'm going to be chilling out with the husband tonight. Guys, I'm so excited to share this recipe. Who loves curry chicken? As you're jumping on, let me know where you're watching from. And then let me know what you're doing for dinner tonight that's low carb or keto friendly. If curry chicken is something new to you or it sounds delicious, go ahead and give me some hearts. Give me some hearts and share this video because I want to show as many people as possible how easy it is to shift to a low carb lifestyle or even keto and feel amazing cooking the most awesome food that's not eggs and bacon every day. And you truly can feel awesome in just a few weeks of transitioning over to a low carb or even keto lifestyle. So guys, let me know where you're watching from, what you're doing for dinner tonight. We are cooking curry chicken. So I've got a casserole dish and we've cooked up about a pound of chicken. I just cut it up in little chunks. Now Ricky is 100% going to see this later and he's going to say, where is the meat? But this is the meat. We're doing 1 pound of chicken and I just cut it into chunks and I seasoned it with salt and pepper. That's all I've done so far. Now we're going to go ahead and mix our ingredients up because it's a casserole. And guess what about casseroles I love the most is that you just throw it all in a pot, you stick in the oven, you walk away, you come back later to enjoy, and anything left over is delicious warmed up the next day for lunch or dinner leftovers. So guys, chicken curry, if you've had curry before, in the comments, I would love for you to say, love curry. It's different. It's not something I would eat every single day, but it absolutely is different, which is awesome because we don't want to get sick of eating the same foods. So guys, I've been eating this way for over 6 years. If you would love some getting started tips, I would love to help you. Just say getting started in the comments and let's get busy. The second thing I did without you guys is I steamed a bag of broccoli. So we're going to put this steamed bag of broccoli right inside the casserole dish. I think I saw a big leaf in there. Yep, I did. I'm going to pull out this big old leaf. Don't need that in my casserole. We're going to pull that out and we're just going to put this steamed broccoli right inside the casserole dish. Now I steamed mine for about 3 minutes because I don't want to cut it up in like tiny little slivers. So we're going to carefully mix the rest of it so that we have some larger chunks of broccoli. And it's okay if you do smother it to death. All right, guys, are you ready for the ingredients? We're going to start with a full cup of sour cream. Who doesn't love sour cream? Like, I know some people are going to say I don't. Guys, sour cream is so good. So good. And it makes wonderful creamy casseroles. So we're going to do a whole cup of sour cream. And then we're going to add about 3/4 cup or maybe even less, it's completely up to you, of mayo. Now, when we're talking about mayo, we are using real mayonnaise. Guys, real mayonnaise is made with great ingredients, really good healthy fats like oil and eggs and salt and pepper. But you want to make sure that you use a good ingredient mayonnaise. Now, I love to make homemade mayonnaise. I just started that recently. But tonight, guys, I'm tired. I'm going to be going to bed early. I just want to throw this sucker in the oven and have some good conversation with my hubby. So I'm using Primal Kitchen mayo. It's an avocado mayo. Guys, the ingredients are so simple. It's egg, it's avocado oil, salt and pepper, lemon. I mean, it's so simple, which is what you want. I like to look at my ingredients to get the best benefits I can from my foods that are going to make me feel amazing. So we've got about a 3/4 cup of mayo, homemade or store-bought, whatever you like, but don't use margarine. Don't use Miracle Whip, guys. That stuff is just made so unhealthy. There's all kinds of crap in the ingredients. So use you a good mayo. If you're not going to make it yourself, which you guys know, I just recently started doing that myself, it's okay, but just shop around. Look at your ingredients. My recommendations when you're at the store and you're looking at sauces and mayos and things like that. Just look at the ingredients. If you can read it, you're on the right path. If it really takes you some time to read it because there's so many ingredients and you don't have a clue what those words are, more than likely, you probably need to steer clear. All right, so we've got about 3/4 cups of mayo. We got a full cup of sour cream. We've got our steamed broccoli. Oh, and we've got about 1 pound of chicken already cooked, chunked up, seasoned with salt and pepper. All right, we're almost done. We only have a few ingredients. We are now going to carefully slice this orange. We're going to slice this lemon, and we're going to squeeze about a tablespoon of lemon juice and put that right into the oh crap, I just got it all over me. Put this right into my casserole dish. Now, because I'm in a hurry and I'm being super lazy, I'm not getting out my lemon squeezer. I have a little lemon squeezer. That would have been much easier, and I wouldn't have just squirted that all over me. But it's okay. Who else likes to cook quick? All right, I'm going to do a whole tablespoon. Oh, yes, whole tablespoon of lemon juice. We're fixing to mix all of these things together, guys. We have 2 more ingredients, and we're done. 2 more, and that's it. Next, we have our curry. So if it's chicken curry, that means we're putting curry in it, right? So I like to do about 2 teaspoons. The more you use, the more seasoning. So you can go anywhere from 2 to 3 teaspoons of curry powder. I'm going to do 2 teaspoons. Oh, that's a heavy one. Oh, yes. Look at that, y'all. Look at that seasoning. If this sounds good, guys, give me some hearts and go ahead and share this video. If you are new to my page and you want some getting started tips on how easy it is to cook your own food or even to look at how to eat throughout the day, I would love to help you. Just say getting started. All right, the only thing we've got left is some cheddar cheese. I love cheddar cheese with my curry. You don't have to use this if you don't want to, but what I'm fixing to do is move this spoon out of my way because it's too floppy. I'm going to use a fork, and I'm going to start to mix this up, and then I'm going to add the cheddar cheese and continue to fold in. So we're just mixing all of these ingredients together. Again, sour cream, mayo, steamed broccoli, curry seasoning, a lemon juice, and chicken. And I'm fixing to add about 1 cup of cheddar. You can add a lot less cheddar if you want to, but I really like cheddar and curry seasoning. It's really good together. So let me add some cheddar cheese, and we're going to keep on stirring. So I'll make sure I get that curry seasoning all throughout the dish. And then if you want to, you can add a little bit more cheddar cheese to the top after you've mixed it in to make a delicious cheesy chicken curry casserole. So guys, I'd love to know where you're watching from and what you're doing for dinner tonight. Gotta taste that. This is just for me and Ricky. Nobody else is eating with us. All right. Let me know what you're cooking tonight or what you're eating. Whether you're cooking or you got takeout, doesn't matter. I would love to know what you're doing that's low carb or keto friendly tonight so we can encourage each other. Encouragement is power. So we want to encourage each other to share recipes. We want to encourage each other to take that time. Guys, 30 minutes or less is what I spend every day in my kitchen. I never cook things that are crazy hard. I never cook things that are crazy expensive unless I'm just really in the mood to cook a steak for everybody. Like I really cook easy, simple dishes because I want to do this forever. This is not a get fast kind of lifestyle or get fast rich or get skinny fast kind of lifestyle. This is a forever lifestyle for me. So I want to cook foods that taste delicious, but I don't want to be in the kitchen all night because if I have to be in the kitchen all night, probably I'm not going to do it very long. Because who wants to stand over a hot stove or be in the kitchen all night cooking and cleaning? Not this girl, not this girl. All right, so we're just going to even this all out. I am going to top it off with a little bit of cheddar cheese because you can see I don't have a whole lot of cheese in there. You don't have to if you don't want to. And I'm fixing to run through those ingredients one more time, and I'm going to check your comments to see if you guys have any questions or to see what you guys are eating tonight. I'd love to know what everyone is eating. So give me just a second, and I'll go over these ingredients while I stick it in the oven. Super excited. I like to try things different. I like to mix it up every once in a while, so I'm eating the same foods, have different flavors, and like this is one very powerful flavor dish. So this doesn't burn everywhere. I am going to take my finger because it's just for me and Ricky. If I was having company, I would not do this. I would not do this if I was feeding it to anyone else. I'm just going to take my finger and clean out the rim of that casserole dish. You can judge me all you want if you want to. All right, this is my dish. I'm not cooking it in a restaurant or for you guys. Yummy. All right, I'm gonna top it off with just a little bit more cheese with my clean hand. And then we're gonna put this in the oven on 350, guys. And you only need it in there for about 20 minutes or so. We just need to get that sour cream piping hot, that mayo popping hot, and just those ingredients mixed together really well. Now on the curry seasoning, remember, You can do as much or as little seasoning as you want. I did about 2 teaspoons of curry seasoning. You can do more or less, completely up to you. Now guys, does that not look delicious? Does that not look and sound delicious? Give me some hearts and share this video if you love my page, if you love my recipes, and if this sounds good. You might be new here and you might not even tasted one yet, but you're going to love it. Guys, give me some hearts, share this video. I would love for you to share all of my videos. Let me get a paper towel. And let me put these in the oven. I'm going to show you something I cooked for my granny today. She's going to be so happy when she sees me tomorrow. She's going to be so happy. Oh, yes. 350 for about 20 minutes. And look what I cooked for my granny when I got home. This is what I did as soon as I got home. I loved my puppy dogs. I unpacked. And then I cooked my granny some skillet green beans. She loves these skillet green beans. She's been asking for them, and I was really busy last week with work, so I wasn't able to do it. But guys, I have them ready, and these are all hers. No one can touch them. They're granny's. So I'll be taking those to her tomorrow. And guys, let me tell you what was in that casserole one more time, and then I'm here to answer any questions you have. So if you have any questions or you have, anything I can help you with, let me know. And I'm definitely going to see you over the next several days so I can just bring you some of the things I learned this weekend. We had a great time in the Great Smoky Mountains in Pigeon Forge. It was beautiful weather. It was supposed to rain the entire time, but no. It turned into beautiful weather. It was absolutely gorgeous. The cabin we stayed in was a mansion. It was 23,000 square feet. We had 36 people staying there with us. And we had the most fantastic time. So the casserole I just put together, you guys witnessed, was a curry chicken casserole. It had 1 pound of chicken already cooked up, seasoned with salt and pepper. We added a bag of steamed broccoli. And then we added a cup of sour cream, about a 1/3-4 cup of mayo, a tablespoon of fresh squeezed lemon. We did 2 teaspoons of curry seasoning and about a cup of cheddar cheese. We just mixed that all together, threw it in the casserole dish. It's on 350. It's going to cook for about 20 minutes, and we're going to pull that bad boy out. Now, I did top mine off with a little extra cheddar. You don't have to. You can if you want to. You can do as much or as little cheese as you want. And let me see if you guys have any questions for me. If you haven't already yet, tell me where you're watching from. And if you think curry chicken sounds pretty good. If you've had it before, I'd love to know. What are you doing for dinner tonight? Hey, Gloria, I see Diane on there. Mary and Diane says she does not like sour cream. As a matter of fact, she says she hates sour cream. Oh, Diane, it's one of my favorite things. I love sour cream in most every casserole. I love sour cream at Mexican restaurants. Like, sour cream is Mexican food. Like, you have to have sour cream with your Mexican. Hey, Barbara, how are you from Lexington, South Carolina? I see Debbie from Sevierville, Tennessee, where we just got back from. Hey, Marge, how are you doing? I love to see those hearts on here. Thank you so much. My granddaughter made meatloaf and mashed potatoes. That sounds wonderful, Debbie. Hey, Shirley, how are you? Looking good. Trying this tomorrow. Glad to catch up. Oh, I cannot wait to catch up with all of you guys. I've been so busy, and I can't wait to tell you what's coming at the end of the week for me and my family, and to tell you a little bit about what I learned over the weekend. So Marla says, not so keto tonight. My husband is a meat and potatoes kind of guy, so I made stew. Ooh, it looks delicious, and I can do without the potatoes. So I'll just eat with all the carrots and meat. I love it, Marla. I love it. Hey, Betty from South Dakota. I see Diane is from North Carolina. That's close to me. Betty loves sour cream. And hey, Brenda from Kentucky. So guys, thank you so much for jumping on. If I've ever been any help to you, make sure you share these videos and give me some hearts. I can't wait to show you the finished picture of the casserole. It's a casserole, so it's just going to be cheesy on top, but it's going to be delicious. So guys, if you missed the recipe, no worries. Just go back to this link. All you have to do is click my picture up there as soon as the video ends, and it'll take you to my page where you not only find this recipe, but a lot of great things. I hope you find encouragement and inspiration, great recipes, a lot of fun, and family and puppies, because I love my fur animals. All right, guys, I'm going to jump off. You have a great day, and I will see all the rest of you later. Bye, guys.